In this video, I will prove that nothing stays the same and how you could be changing in 2026 to take your life to the next level. Let's get into it. So according to NASA, the Earth is rotating at a speed of 67,000 miles an hour for one full cycle around the sun. So for one full cycle around the sun, the Earth is rotating at a speed of 67,000 miles an hour. Now, I don't know about you, but to me, that's really fast, considering the average car goes up to what, about 200 miles an hour? And it also states that in order for a rocket to blast into space, it has to be at a speed of 17,000 miles an hour. So 67,000 miles an hour is really fast. That's how fast this thing is going on this planet called Earth. So quick question, is it possible that when we catch people that's, like stubborn and they kind of like stuck in their own ways and don't want to change, is it possible that they're truly being left behind if they don't want to change and the Earth is rotating at this type of speed? And I'm from the South, I'm from New Orleans, so very often when I come across people, I like to speak. And when I speak to them and I hear, hey man, how is it going? I hear them say things like, I'm just maintaining, or, it is what it is, or I'ma just be me. I immediately know that they have to rewire their way of thinking. Immediately I know this. So think about this. If you're standing in one place and the world is moving at that speed around, you think you're just getting by, or you think you're just maintaining and don't want to change, you're actually being left behind. And somebody asked me this question, what about what goes around comes around? Here's what I say to that. Even when things come back around, the second or third time around, it's different every time. This is why if you dated somebody when you was younger and you caught them in older age and you want to date them again, this is why the second time around is just totally different. Nothing stays the same. One of the worst things about getting older is to look back at your life and see that you haven't evolved or made any changes to your life. It's one of the worst things about getting older. I'm 40 years old, so just picture this. The swagger when I was younger was big white tall t-shirts. You got the Franchise Boys and all those type of songs out there. Was the swagger. I used to see guys that ride around up the block in New Orleans with speakers underneath their cars, waking up the whole block, waking up all of the neighbors. But we in a whole new era now, man. You still just can't be doing that. So nothing stays the same. This is why it's important for you to grow. And if you are not growing, I promise you are automatically getting weaker. I'm gonna say it again. If you're not growing, if you're not getting stronger, you are automatically by default, you're just getting weaker. So here's what the scripture says. Do not be conformed by the patterns of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Be transformed, changed by the renewing, of your mind. Here's one of the number one rules that I live by that really helped transform my life, that got me to the next level. And I learned this from Zig Ziglar. If you are hard on yourself, the world is going to be easy on you. But if you are too easy on yourself, the world would absolutely be hard on you. And a perfect example of this is, imagine every time you get your paycheck. I don't know if you get paid every week, every 2 weeks. Some people get paid once a month. Every time you get your paycheck, you take that money and you hop on a plane and take a week vacation. And you go spend your money on some drinks and some food or shopping because you feel as though that you deserve this. And honestly, a lot of us do deserve these type of things. Although those things feel good in the now, when those bills come back around, you're going to see exactly how hard the world is going to be on you. Right? You're going to feel a pain in the world. It will crush you. How did we get there though? We got there because we was easy on ourselves. You want to take this vacation. You want to go out on food and drinks and hang with your homeboys and your homegirls. And I get it because we all do deserve different things like that. But I'm telling you, if you are too easy on yourself, the world will crush you. That's why I stay hard on myself, and I advise you to kind of have that balance, but really stay hard on yourself because the world gonna be easy on you. And we go through enough already as it is. So that's one of the number one rules that really changed my life. And I also found out that when the world get hard on you, when you contact people and you need your favor back, most likely they're not going to keep it real with you like you kept it real with them. So that's why I never put myself in a position to where I need anybody. And we all need people, right? But you kind of want to be in the flow of things. They just not going to keep it real with you like you kept it real with them. In conclusion, 2026 need a new version of you. And honestly, it really need a new way of thinking from you. So continue to trust God and just do what's required. And I promise you, you will get to the next level in your life. If you can relate to anything I said in this video today, or if it was helpful in any type of way, please send this to somebody who you love, because we all in this thing together and we all fighting the same battle. Let's go higher.